Welcome, Dr. V. Reddy's Check and Improve Knowledge. There are 10 MCQs in this quiz. Please write these numbers on a white paper and note down your answers after each MCQ. Then check your answers with the answers given. This basic knowledge is essential for all students, from 7th class to who are aspiring higher competitive exams. Please like, subscribe and share this to every student. 11. Friction opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. It acts on B. Both the surfaces. 12. Which of the following statement is correct? Friction depends on D. All of the above. The nature of surfaces in contact, how hard the two surfaces press together, the state of smoothness of those surfaces. (13) The resistive force that acts between two stationary surfaces in contact to prevent relative motion or sliding when an external force is applied is called A. Static friction. (14) Which of the following is an example of static friction? A. Shoes gripping the floor or ground while standing or walking without slipping. (15) Which of the following is not an example of static friction? D. Water or blood flowing through pipes or blood vessels. (16) Which of the following is the resistive force that opposes the relative sliding motion between two surfaces in contact once motion has begun? C. Kinetic friction. 17. Kinetic friction is also called as D. All of the above. Moving friction, dynamic friction, sliding friction. 18. Which of the following is an example of sliding friction? D. All of the above. Wiping a window with a cloth, car tires skidding on wet road during hard braking, pushing a heavy box across a wooden floor. 19. Ironing clothes is an example of B. Sliding friction. 20. Which is said to be the one of the greatest inventions of mankind? B. Wheel. Short notes on 1. Static friction. 2. Sliding friction. 1. Static friction. Static friction is the frictional force between two solid surfaces at rest relative to each other, preventing the start of motion. Key points are 1. Acts only when no relative motion exists. Opposes impending motion up to a maximum limit. 2. Magnitude equals applied force. 3. Always opposite to the direction of potential sliding. 4. Greater than kinetic friction. Easier to maintain motion than initiate it. 5. Proportional to normal force, independent of contact area. 6. Independent of relative speed. 7. Prevents slipping. Example, walking, car tires on dry road. 2. Sliding friction. Sliding friction opposes the motion of two solid surfaces sliding against each other once relative motion begins. Key points are 1. Less than static friction. Easier to keep an object moving than to start it from rest. 2. Constant magnitude during uniform sliding. 3. Direction always opposes the direction of sliding velocity. 4. Rougher surfaces increase friction. 5. Normal force or weight directly proportional. 6. Independent of contact area and sliding speed. 7. Examples are pushing a box across floor after it starts moving, breaking car tires on road, writing with pencil on paper. For more quizzes on multiple topics, please like, subscribe and share this channel. Check and improve knowledge to every student. Thank you.